Good day, friends. Welcome. In this video, we're talking about how to enable secure boot from Windows 11. So guys, as you can see, if you haven't changed any settings, the secure boot is going to be enabled by default. So it's always enabled when you install your operating system. But for some people, it's not on. And for that, you will need to go into your BIOS and enable secure boot in there. So let us go into the BIOS and I will show you. Okay guys, so we are now in the secure boot. Also guys, a very handy feature is the search. So for example, if your motherboard supports the search inside of the BIOS, mine, as you can see, does, you can search for secure boot and enable it in here. Right, it was actually under the security tab, as you can see. You go to settings, security, and go to secure boot and enable it right over here. After that, just press F10 or just quit your BIOS and save the settings. You will have a change here where you have changed your secure boot. Enjoy guys, this is how it's done. Enable secure boot easily on your Windows 11. Guys, press like on the video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.